We recommend a stock image site called Shutterstock. And first thing you're going to want to do is sign up, which is a simple process. Just put in your email address and password. Now, when it comes time to purchase your images, let's look at the pricing options. You want to be really careful here that you don't purchase the wrong thing. You really do not need monthly image plans. You don't need to download 10 images a month or 50 images a month. Really, all you need is prepaid image packs. Since we want a total of no more than 5 images, this is the pack that you want. It's $49 for 5 images, and you just click buy now and enter your payment information. And when you do that, it will put the credits in your account necessary to get 5 images. Let's take a look at how to search for images, save them in a collection, and download them. So remember, you're looking for images that represent your product or service, the area that you serve, or the outcome that your brand represents. So let's take a look at an image that would represent an area that you serve. So let's say this one here, for instance. You'd search beach images, if that's representative of your area. And as you can see, this is one of those images that pops up on a beach. There's a ton of them here, and you have to look for some of the things that we talked about in the original image training, which is you want to look for something that's more horizontal, wider than it is taller, and several of the other characteristics we look for in an image. Let's say we're going to choose this image here, and we want to save several into a collection so we can come back and look at them and make a better decision later. So you click this little save button here. And what it will allow you to do is assign this image into a collection that you've set aside. So let's just call this geographic images, okay? And you just click save here. Okay, so when you want to come back here and look at the collections and all the images you've saved in the collections, you'll come up here to this little person and you'll click on collections and then image collections. And that'll take you to all your collections. You can even add more from this page here, but it'll show you that I have one image in my geographic images collection. Now let's assume we're going to purchase this image. Click on the view details. And then since you are purchasing a package that allows you to download 5 images, it doesn't matter what size those images are. So the one thing we want to make sure we do is just download the largest size available to us. Now, if we were doing this based on paying for the size of the image, we might choose this medium because as you can see, it is 1,000 pixels wide. It is 1,000 pixels wide here, and that is the minimum that we're looking for. But if we can get them larger and it doesn't cost us anymore, that obviously makes sense, and we're downloading no more than 5 images in that package that we recommended that you purchase. So we're going to go for the largest size and then just click download here. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Remember again to choose images that represent your product or service, the area that you serve, and the outcome that your brand represents.